gentle dance has just begun. Feathers hum, soft as a breeze, whispering joy through the cherry tree. Happy hummingbirds, they glide so free in the blue sky where dreams should be. Happy hummingbirds, they hum for me a melody of love endlessly.
Tiny hearts beat 1,000 songs, flitting through where the air belongs. Petals bow as they pass by,
carrying laughter up to the sky. Do they know?
Do they know?
Do they care?
Do they care
that their joy is everywhere? Happy hummingbirds, they glide so free in the blue sky where dreams should be. They sip the nectar of golden light, painting rainbows in their flight. Oh, how they teach us how to stay in the beauty of today.